Today I want to announce that starting 5th September, on the third anniversary of Jio's launch, we are launching Jio Fiber services on a commercial basis across India. Jio Fiber plans will be priced between 700 rupees to 10,000 rupees a month to suit every budget and every need and every segment. So Jio Fiber customers who opt for our annual plans, which we call Jio Forever plans, will get an HD or 4K LED television and a 4K set-top box absolutely free. Today, I am announcing that Jio Fiber plans will come bundled with subscriptions to most leading premium OTT applications. Also, for the first time in India, we are introducing a disruptive concept of watching new movies. Premium Jio Fiber customers will be able to watch movies in their living rooms the same day these movies are released in theaters.